Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. All our videos are for educational purpose. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal as long as you are on a sim. On the left upper corner, this is the swing automated trading. On the right corner, it is the right upper corner, it is the scalper. At the same time, we will the scalpers are in a white chart and the swing trading are in the blue chart. And this is the scalper coming from the market analyzer on the right upper corner. As we see right now, we have two trades on the scalper, NASDAQ, and on the automated signal. We have the NASDAQ scalper, and I have extended the target to 33.30 on the ES. And I left the NASDAQ alone. The system figure out the entry and the exit by itself. If the market is trending, the auto trade will switch from scalping to swing trading automatically. So right now we have 460 on the NASDAQ, 500, and now we have 325 on the ES based on two contracts. The market analyzers, they are based on one contract. And now we have the ES is on a 1 minute automated trade. This is a different automated type of a trade. And now it is on 1,000, little over 1,000 on the, this kind of auto trade is not the signal. It is a total different automated trade. They are not connected to the signal, and now broke even, so this is very good. If the market turn around, we can break even, so we are on a free trade, and this is all what you have to do if you want to interfere with the market. On the Russell, we have the auto trade taking also trade. This is the TI7, is included in your package. And then we'll try to see what else we have. Let's take in a trade. We have okay, we have the YM. Let's take in a trade. So those are right now. We are keeping our eye on. And then within a few minutes, we will look at the market to see what's going on the ES. And as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and look at it right now. Earlier today for the ES traders, we had a problem between a support area, heavy support area, at 33.1250, and it was a resistance at 33.18. Just a few minutes ago, has finally the ES broke up to the upper and going to the direction to the 33.26 final destination. I'm expecting at 12 o'clock 33.30, which it is right in line with the other auto trade. So we are expecting today, hopefully we will get the 3.30 for today. So there's an immediate drop on the Russell. We will keep our eye on it. It seems like the market turning around. Let's look at the chart. So if we have a little pullback, most likely for the ES traders, this is your support area, 33.18, 25. This is your support area, folks. So if there's any pullback, it's going to hold at 33.18, 50 or 25. For the ones that follow us, please follow us on the sim. We're not responsible for your trades. We'll take this one out of the way to have some space. And then we can look at the market analyzer, what is really holding this market a bit. If we look at the swing trading, It's a 1 minute swing trading. It's not a heavy chart like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's a 1 minute. And then we can see the NASDAQ is not responding with the ES and the YM. And the 30-year Treasury bond is to the long side in the same direction of the ES, which that brings a lot of confusion for the amateur traders. The bonds has to be to the short side when the ES is to the long side, and the NASDAQ is not synchronizing with the ES and the YM and the Russell. So this is a little problematic here, and this is a little confusion in the market. And for the ones who cannot read the market, it is very important to keep your eye to see the 30-year Treasury bond is going the opposite direction signal, and then you need to see the NASDAQ and the ES and the YM into the same direction and the opposite direction of the 30-year Treasury bond. Once those basic knowledge, once you understand those, then no matter what you do, whether you are a manual trader or an automated trade, your chances get much greater than when the market is a little bit mixed. So at the moment, as you see, the confusion in the market and the mix in the market, the volatility in there, because the NASDAQ is not responding with the ES and a YM, you can spot it immediately on the swing trading. So the NASDAQ, we're having a little problem with the NASDAQ. And on the scalpers, they are okay. The NASDAQ are in sequence with the ES and the YM, but it is very important this is the CL trade actually, and we have for the CL trader, as you see how the target extended by itself to 42.31, and I'm expecting we can close direction on the CL at 42.22 as a matter of fact. So if we break this 42.35, there is a gentleman, one of our members, saying there is loud. Oh no, okay. So, all right, it's not from us. Okay, and so let's look at the ES one more time. As expected, the market didn't even go down to the 33.1875, and so most likely we will get up to 33.26 at the moment. On the ES, if we are breaking this resistance on the CL, I apologize, on the CL, if we break that support area, we're going down to the 42.22. So this is what I was talking about. When you catch up a couple signals, you are done for today. You don't need to sit down, bang on the market all day long. sitting auto trading all day long in the market does not mean you make more money. So if you can get $400 or $500 on one signal, another $300 or $400 on the other signal, you're done for today. Sitting all day long trading does not mean more money. It could be losing money. You cannot trade all day long. It's a myth. Once you hit your money, leave. We are done with the ES trade. And now we will look at the NASDAQ. On the CL, the resistance, the trailing stop is based on the floating fibs. So the resistance right now on the CL is 42.36 and 42.39. Those are your resistance line. You can see how the CL coming exactly to the resistance area. So we close one of the trades. We still have one more. It's the major resistance area, 42.39. You can see it how the CL come back to the minor support resistance area, and we close one of the trades, and we still have one more trade. If this market crossed the 42.39, that means the party is over. On the NASDAQ now, we climb into the almost $1,000 trade on that one here. And this is very good. There is on the NASDAQ double resistance line. I'm concerned about this double resistance. We have 111.36.25. This is a double resistance. I'm not sure the NASDAQ able to cross that. The trailing stop 111.16 minor, and the support area 1109.75. This is a beautiful trade on that auto trade. The CL is going to have a problem because we have a resistance at 42.48 and resistance at 42.45. So the trade on the CL on the new signal, it will have a problem at the moment. As we expected, the market climbed into the 33.26. This is the first stage. And then probably final destination before 12 o'clock is 33.28. This is it. There's not much going on. This is exactly what we were scared of. Is there is a double resistance on the NASDAQ. And that's what I was concerned about, this double resistance on the NASDAQ, which causing the NASDAQ to struggle around this area here, so trader can close that trade on the signal, and most likely the NASDAQ is going to go back, retest the 111.23.25. Let's see if the Nasdaq able to break the 1136.25. Every time you see double resistance, there is a problem. Every time you see double resistance, 8, 9 out of 10, there is a problem. The market crossing double support or double resistance. For the ES traders, this is your limitation. Don't expect before 12 o'clock. It's now 10:14. Don't expect today before 12 o'clock crossing all those technical levels. So for the ones are whether you are manual trader or auto trader is irrelevant. The resistance is a resistance on both of sides. I'm not expecting anything above the 33.28 before 12 o'clock. So if this market keep going, it's not gonna, at the moment, the situation is we're not looking above the 33.28.25. And as you see now, the Nasdaq is sinking. This is what I was scared of, is the double resistance here, the 1139 and 1136.25, which we have give you warning in it on it. So we are playing right now. The market can go both of direction. This is a really, really critical area at the moment. Really critical area. For the ones are keeping their eye on the ES, is almost 8 out of 10. The ES is not gonna, on the pullback, the ES will not go below 33.1875. So for the ones are using indicators, don't go short. This is just if the ES drop, it's not gonna drop below the 33.1875, and this is a pullback re-entry. There is no short in there, gentlemen. So whether you are auto trading, manual trading, you gotta keep your eye on 33.1875. This is a pullback re-entry long. We don't have any short at the moment. You can see how the Nasdaq struggling on the 111.35.25. Let's try in one more time. This is a very important critical area here, gentlemen, because if we break this double resistance, we're gonna be climbing to over 1500 on that. And there we go. There we go. This is the everything has changed. Everything has changed, and this is a really good. We need this bar to close above. We're getting there. We have almost 3,000 on those two charts. We just need to keep going with it. Our mission today before 12 o'clock to see the ES hitting 3327 level. This is a beautiful trade. For our new system, as you see on the NASDAQ, we have put a re-entry point on it if there is any pullback, and now it's trying to confirm the buyers start coming in. We crossed a really hard area. As you see here, when it's blinking, there is a buyers trying to push the market up a bit. This is the NASDAQ swing trading, and it's gonna try to go to the 1153. This is a very good climb in here. There will be excellent breakout, and we are about to hit where I was expecting 3327, and I think that will be the limitation for today, gentlemen. Excellent. There we go. We crossed 3,500. And you know, sometimes when we are on the YouTube, some of the chart, I don't know if this Ninja Trader, but I want to try to bring some trade here, and I'm having a hard time grab the charts. Anyway, and there is nothing wrong with my memory, that's for sure. But yeah, I don't want to mess with it. We have such a good trades here, and now the resistance on the Nasdaq will be support, you know. So I think we're about to close one of the trades on the Nasdaq. If we break that support area, it was a resistance, as the 11. Look, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look to the tick, the support area. And now we're going to the first support at 11:35.50. Once you understand the market is so beautiful, easy to predict, easy to understand what's going on, easy to decide what you want to do. This is on the ES 1 minute. But if we look at the 5 minutes, we are about to be done with the 5 minutes. ES on the I7, not on the signal. We are almost the same numbers between the 1 minute and the 5 minutes. But on the ES here, 1 minute, we have the targets are extremely high, and on the 5 minutes, there is not much different. There is like $300 different, but those are we are about to start hitting the first target. And now we close the first one on Nasdaq, and we still have one more trade on the Nasdaq, which is around $600. Most likely the Nasdaq is gonna hold on the minor support area and then a climb maybe to the 1162. We will see what happens. The market is strong. I'm expecting before 12 o'clock we hit the 33.27 on the ES. On the market analyzer, based on one target, we have 429 ticks on the swing trading, and on the scalping we have 400 ticks in total based on one contract. On the gold, we missed the target by just a couple ticks. Look at this. This is sad. We were almost $1,000 trade. I didn't see it, and the system estimated. You know, guys, do you remember? If you go back to the video on a YouTube, and when we were trading the gold around 1800, 1750, I told you that I'm expecting the gold to very soon to hit the 2000, and it did. and because of the crisis worldwide, and so it was obvious that gold was going to hit 2000. So now I'm going to keep my eye on it. I didn't pay attention to it. It was almost $1,000 trade, and now shrink to $400 or $500. Okay, we're done with the NASDAQ trade. We still have one trade on the gold. The CL is about to hit the target, and I think the party is over on that one. Let me look at the ES chart. I was expecting today to get the 33.27, and we are a few ticks away. The market pulling back to the 33.21. The second pullback 33.19. So we will see how to approach this market when we get there. Very important, 33.21.25 support 33.18. We're about to close the CL trade. We still have the ES automated trade. The DAX, a new signal, gentlemen, on the DAX and the Russell. We have a sell position 1542, target 1536. As we expected today, I was expecting to go all the way to the 33.27. It didn't work, and now the whole market has changed direction. So we missed by a couple ticks, and this is what we have said from the beginning. And now we are going the opposite direction. It broke all the support area, and now we are into the short position, gentlemen. Short position only. And the CL is about to hit that target. and the Nasdaq also did go short, and we break even. It's a very fast market, and there we go. This is 760 on this one, and on the CL we're about again, look, because of this double support area on the Nasdaq, the same story again. We have a new signal on the ES. The whole market is changing. It's changing direction. This auto trade is finished. Beautiful trade is done, and we will see what else we have here. If we break those double support area, we are for another $1,000 run on the Nasdaq. On the CL, as you see, look at this. We missed by one tick on the CL. Immediately break even. And this is another $1,000 on the gold, and another $1,000 trade on the Nasdaq. Beautiful, done. 2 hours work, and it cannot get better than that. I want the CL to break. There we go. We close the CL, and we're about to hit $900 trade on the Nasdaq. And there we go. We're done on the Nasdaq, and we have a support area. We're about to hit another 1,000 on the gold. We're done. On the TI7 auto trade, it's not the signal. Already is in the trade, and it is going beautifully to the. It is this is another $1,000 trade on the Nasdaq is done. Look straight to the target. It's finished. Mission is accomplished. And this is the gold, another 1,000 on the gold. And CL, we are done with the scalper. There is nothing to do anymore. There we go. We hit the $1,000 trade on the CL. We're gonna cross the $1,000 trade on the CL, and now it is 10:43. We are done. Don't sit all day long. And we have another $1,000 on the gold. Beautiful, beautiful entry on the CL. Absolutely beautiful. Precise. Sometimes the auto trade can take some entries. By the time we observe what is going on, it's too late. 1,400 on that trade. Beautiful. Absolutely. As you see, the scalper turned from a scalper to swing trading on the signal. And this one here is the CL. And then we have the gold, both of them 3 minutes. This is beautiful how the market playing. We came in, pulled back on the minor resistance line, and we closed one position. And look how accurate those trailing stops, because based on floor and fibs, beautiful. Once you understand those simple movement in the market, you are halfway done. We're gonna break even on that one. We are on a free ride with it. We are done with the gold. We close the gold. On the signal ES, we're about to hit the target. Beautiful trade. Let's look at the YM. Also, the YM have an excellent trade. Take this one out. This is a beautiful entry. And we're about to close those. And those are the swing trading. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful entries. At the moment on the market analyzer, the swing trading not much is 315 ticks based on one contract, and the scalper 607 ticks based on one contract. You have $360, $800, and $550 on the ES. What you should do, guys, you should close Ninja Trader once the party is over. Let's look some other market as well. Let's see what happened in the Russell. The Russell is 340. And they're all doing fine. Let's go back on the NASDAQ. And the CL Autotrade is doing very, very, very fine. Gentlemen, that's all what we have for today. It's an excellent day. 1,000 after 1,000 after 1,000. It is an excellent day, and you need to learn to stop when you can. So we started around 9 o'clock. We are done by 11 o'clock, not even 11 o'clock. You made your money. You need to close your Ninja Trader and go home. Thank you very much for today. Please be safe, and we'll see you tomorrow, Friday, at 10 o'clock. God bless you all, and see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock Eastern Time. Bye.